Hi, Dr. Jerry Garapang here from returntosports.fun. Yes, it's returntosports.fun in St. Louis, Missouri. Returntosports.fun is a complimentary website dedicated to our patients who we have seen for the last over 32 years. It's a compilation of expert medical and physical therapy knowledge to help you return to sports and function at the earliest possible time. There's a lot of topics that we have posted at this time, like why am I in pain and why am I not getting any better? Is surgery the cure for an injury? Is cortisone shot good for you or not good for you? Is it good to exercise when in pain? We have lots of video information and blogs for you. We hope to have hundreds of this informational blogs and videos for you the next few months from different doctors and physical therapists from all over the world. So it's very exciting. Just go to www.returntosports.fun. And for today, I'm excited to share with you an exercise program for low back pain for 2 minutes or less. Yes, it's done 2 minutes or less. We have a long version of this exercise that we have created. It's on the homepage of the returntosports.fun as well. There are 6 exercises, in that, video. But for today, I will share with you an exercise for less than 2 minutes that is very effective, if not the most effective exercise for low back pain that I know of, that I've seen the last 32 years. There's a scientific basis for this, anatomical and biomechanical information. We will not talk about it today. We're gonna create a video for that. So those who would like to find out why it's working, we have an information coming out for you. Of course, there's no guarantees. But if you have like a mild strain or a mild injury with a little bit of disc bulge, it may help you, and of course, please consult with your doctor of physical therapy or your physician before you start, trying an exercise program. So this is for you, less than 2 minutes. I hope it helps. Back in 1993, I injured my back and I have a lot of herniated discs. And also I had a setback in 2018. To share with you before we start, I learned about these exercises and I created it after I was in severe pain while I was in church back in 2018 when I had the setback. And it helped me and it helped a lot of my patients. So I guess it's time for me to share it with you. And I'm gonna share it today. So it's an exercise program for low back pain, 2 minutes or less. And I call this the push, pull, roll exercise, or the return to sports exercise for low back pain. So we're gonna show it to you now. You ready? Let's go. Okay, ready? Here you go. We call this the return to sports exercise for low back pain, or I also tag it as push, pull, roll exercise for low back pain. I say that so you can remember it even without watching this video, without a cheat sheet, right? Because we want you to be able to do it and hopefully helps you. Okay, so here you go. What we need to do is I'm gonna go turn around, okay, and I'm gonna go bring my hands and put it on my bottom, the back of my hands. But if you have some shoulder issues, you can have your palm touching your buttock like so. Either or is fine, okay. But I'm gonna do it this way. You want to keep your spine straight. So the first thing you want to do while keeping your spine straight, okay, is you push your hands towards your buttock and press on it. Press against your buttock until you feel a stretch, or what I call a contraction. It's more like a contraction of your back muscles. You're gonna feel a contraction of your back muscles while you're pushing against your buttock, okay? Hold that contraction of your back muscles, and while holding that contraction, okay, you pull your buttock backwards, against your hands and press on it, and hold it for another 2 to 3 seconds while keeping your spine straight. Okay, so I'm gonna start again. Okay, so you push, feel the contraction in your back muscles. You pull, you press against your hand, and keep that muscle contraction contracting and hold it for another 2 to 3 seconds. And while holding that contraction, you want to roll your shoulders back. Roll your shoulders back while you keep pressing forward on your buttock, and while you are pulling your buttock backwards against your hands. So that's a total of 6 to 9 seconds of muscle contraction in your back from pushing it to pulling it to rolling your shoulders back. That's why we call it the push-pull-roll exercise, and then you relax. That's it. That's as simple as that. And you can do that 5 to 6 times throughout the day. And hopefully that helps you. It helps me. It helps a lot of my patients. And again, there's a scientific basis for it that we will share with you on the website returntosports.fun. So hopefully that helps. If you need more information, you can reach me at jerrycatapang@sbcglobal.net. I'll be very happy to answer whatever questions you may have. So that's it. An effective, if not the most effective exercise for low back pain for 2 minutes or less. Dr. Jerry Catapang with returntosports.fun in St. Louis, Missouri, wishing you a wonderful day, and we will see you in the playing field. You guys take care. We'll see you later.